Look how fudgy. Oh my god. We're first going to start with 1 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to put in 1/4 cup of flour. This is all purpose. I have 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder. I'm going to put in 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. I have 2 large eggs. I have 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now this does require a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which I realize I don't have. So in replace, I'm going to use just a smidge of maple syrup. This is the light. And then just a smidge of coffee creamer, cookies, and cream to get that little taste. We're going to go ahead and turn our mixer on and make sure everything is well incorporated. Okay. Everything is incorporated. You can see how decadent this looks. I'm going to mix in some chocolate chunks. Okay, I'm going to add some chocolate chunks, just a few, to the mixture. I'm going to very gently use my spatula to fold this in. Okay, looks to be all covered. Let's get it ready for the baking dish. I have a square baking dish. I'm just going to use this to put the batter in. And I have a piece of parchment paper because I'm not trying to have my stuff stick, and it's easier for me to cut. Go ahead and put all the batter in. Now, I personally like a little crunch in my brownies, so I'm going to put some walnuts on 1/2 of the side here before I put the cookie butter on. I want to just mix those down underneath so I don't have any issue when I'm mixing in the cookie butter. Now the last step before we put in the oven is I have my cookie butter here. I'm going to just spoon little dollops all across here before I mix them in, like so. Just get you a little spoon, drop it on top, because we're going to be using our knife to mix it in. I'm probably going to do 3 rows. Okay, I got my dollops down. You got a little residue in your spoon, go ahead and give that a lick. Now with a knife, butter knife or something, I'm going to start to kind of swirl the cookie butter in just a little, like so. And then go up and down to try to get the swirl design, like so. And then you can go backwards and forwards, like so, until you get your desired design. Looks good enough for me. Time for the oven. Now we're going to be baking these at 375 for maybe 30 minutes, just depending on, I don't know, we're going to see. I'll let you know the total time. Alright, the brownies are finished. They're out of the oven. These cook for about 45 minutes actually, so we're going to let these cool before we cut them. Okay, let's get cut into our brownies. They are cool. Now don't worry about the edges and the shapes, because it's all about the taste. And it's thick, okay? And let's have a little piece. Look how fudgy. Oh my god. Yes, please. Y'all go ahead and give it a try. And don't forget to tell everybody we got heat over here.